back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful sweet soy stir-fried noodles. Alright, really nice interesting dish this one. I've got some chicken thighs here. I'm actually going to coat that with a little bit of sake. Give it a little bit of a stir, set it aside for around about an hour. Also a little bit of Zhaojing wine, and that those two little bits of alcohol are going to give it a real interesting flavour and actually tenderise that chicken up quite nicely. And I've just cut that chicken up roughly, no real science, just cut them up in little cubes. I'm also going to add in around about the equivalent of 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger paste as well, a dash of soy, around about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3. Again, give that a stir, and this is just our rough marinade. Okay, so very, very simple to do this one at the moment. So just give that a good stir, let it sit for around about an hour, and we'll come back for our next step. Right, a little bit of peanut oil into a wok. We've left that chicken for around about an hour to marinate. We're just going to cook this off in batches, just like that, until they're around about 96-97% done. Not cooked all the way through, but just about. Right. And if you've got an induction cooktop and oversized wok like this, just watch out, because every now and then you'll actually accidentally adjust the heat, but with the wok. Okay, so just stir fry those through like that, as I said, just in batches, and we'll just put that aside into another bowl. Okay, now if you haven't had a sweet soy type noodle dish before, you don't know what you're missing. The flavour is amazing, and it tastes even better the next day. I've just got some packet noodles. All I have to do is pour some hot water over the top of those, loosen them up with some chopsticks or fork in this case, and they'll just loosen up. All we have to do is strain those off when we're ready and cook these off for a final time. Right, I've got a little bit of cabbage. You could use some bok choy or any other Asian vegetable you like, but I'm using cabbage in this instance because I had so much of the cabbage. There's a lot of cabbage in the last couple of weeks on the channel. Don't worry, it's good for you. A little bit of salt that can go on top, just like that, and it's going to help wilt down everything as well. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper, maybe around about a quarter, maybe half a teaspoon. I'm going to add in 1 onion, just like that, and I've just given that a quick little quarter cut type deal on that. Keep stirring those around until the cabbage starts to cook through and the onion starts to cook off. We want to keep a little bit of crunchiness to it. Right, now a little bit more oil. Started to get a little bit dry there. Just keep stirring those through. We can add our chicken and all those juices straight back in on top of all of that. Gives it another good stir, and it's a very, very simple recipe this as well. Right, just keep doing that. Probably stir fry that for about 3-4 minutes or so. A little bit of fish sauce, around about a tablespoon's worth, that can go in. Right, very, very nice. A little bit of sesame oil, probably about half a teaspoon's worth, or in this case what I had left in the bottle. Okay, so I can go straight in. A little bit of extra sesame oil from the new bottle. I'm going to add in some oyster sauce, around about 2 tablespoons worth. That can go straight in. Okay, a little dash more oil, and here I've got a little bit of corn flour that I've mixed up with a little bit of chicken stock, around about 2 teaspoons worth of corn flour, around about 1/3 of a cup of chicken stock. That's going to help make a really nice thick sauce. I've got a couple of scallions here, around about 4 scallions that I've just chopped up really nice and fine. They can go in. Give that a good stir through once more, and put your nice big rice noodles in. Use a rice noodle, not an egg noodle. It just gives it a much lighter flavour for this. All we have to do is really heat those through once more, give that a good stir like that, and this tastes just as good as any takeaway meal or restaurant meal that you've had, but you've made it yourself, you've made it at home, you know exactly what's in it. A little bit of ketchup mayonnaise, probably about 3 tablespoons worth. I'll put that in right at the end, gives it that nice sweetness. Around about 2-3 teaspoons of sugar, that can go in, and that's also going to add to our sweetness. And I did say this is a sweet soy stir-fried noodle. Right, just simply plate that up in any vessel you want. I'm going to garnish this off with a couple of little red chilies, just nicely finely sliced, and before you know it, you've got this beautiful sweet soy stir-fried noodle. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all of your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a quick Asian recipe like this. In total cooking time, probably 15 minutes, where you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've taught these mad sweet soy stir-fried noodles, and I will catch you next time. Bye!